Traditional Indian Dessert Practical Class. A practical session on traditional Indian desserts was successfully conducted in the Advanced Food Production Lab for third semester students under the guidance of Chef Indrajit. As per the NCHMCT syllabus, students learned the detailed preparation techniques and presentation of the following authentic Indian sweets. Sandesh, a delicate Bengali dessert made with china and sugar. Imarti, a deep-fried North Indian sweet soaked in sugar syrup, similar to jalebi. Dudhiya halwa, a rich milk-based dessert made with bottle gourd, lauki, milk, and khoya. Chef Indrajit demonstrated each dessert step by step, emphasizing traditional cooking methods, hygiene practices, plating, and nutritional balance. Students actively participated in hands-on preparation and understood the cultural significance and regional variations of these desserts. SBIHM.